Hi, in this video we can see that how we can clone or how we can duplicate the page. Suppose I want to not create a new page, then I have one page, I want to duplicate this current page. So what I do, now select a page which will use to duplicate. So after clicking right click, here shown option duplicate page, copy page and delete page. So I click on duplicate page, then it is create a copy page. So I change here, I rename first login duplicate and its root name also change duplicate. So I change text also, login duplicate page, and I run this file. So login duplicate, I select and save and run this file. Now we can see duplicate page is running. So now we can see in tablet view and web view. So this way we can duplicate the page and so text.